Hey guys, this is Shraj here from Berwick Mitsubishi. Guys, today I've got the absolute pleasure on showing you a 2014 Holden Commodore SV6 Storm. In this video we'll be doing a walk around 360 on this vehicle, talking about the exterior and interior condition on the car, and also a little bit more about Berwick Mitsubishi. Guys, we'll start off with the car. The paintwork on this vehicle is actually in really good condition. No scratches, no visible marks. All four tyres are brand new. Show you those quickly. Alloy rims are in also great condition. Now guys, with summer coming up, I will suggest getting a paint protection done to this car, just making your car a bit more shiny and keeping it the paint in its healthiest condition. Also, I have noticed that the windows have not been tinted on this vehicle. They've got a slight tint, but we can obviously add more tint on this car. Once you've purchased your car from Berwick Mitsubishi, you'll be introduced to my pre-delivery manager, Mr. Dan D'Souza. He will be talking to you about hydro packaging, paint protections. Main thing is our warranties that we offer, and also dash cams. Here we are at the front of the car. Got daytime running lights, also got front sensors. Let's have a look inside. Very clean from the inside, no visible marks, no scratches on the dash. It was very well maintained by the previous owner. So they are quite a spacious car. If you are looking to fund your vehicle via finance, here at Berwick Mitsubishi, we've got that sorted out for you as well. We've got two great business managers, Mr. Raj and Julie, who can provide you with the best repayment and also the best interest rates as well. So we've got our genuine Holden tow bar, great spacious boot, obviously dual exhaust, reverse sensors and reverse camera. Plus, Berwick Mitsubishi specializes at customer service. We have over 280 used cars on stock now. So here is the inside view. So 96,000 kilometers this vehicle is currently sitting on. If you are planning on securing this car online, you can so by just pressing the buy now button. That way it reserves the car for you. You can leave a $500 deposit, so make sure nobody else gets the opportunity to secure it for you. We are located here at 2232 Kangan Drive, just off Clyde Road. If there are any questions or inquiries, give us a call at Berwick Mitsubishi. And again guys, this was the walk around video on this 2014 Holden Commodore SV6. If there's any questions, furthermore, give us a call. Thank you for watching guys.